Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video, and this is Md.Rabiullahh in front of you. I hope you are all full fit and fine, and I'm pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You can see that there is dense fog everywhere. It seems to be a winter morning, but I don't want to say it's a winter morning because this is the month of Chutto. After all, I'm enjoying this mesmerizing, beautiful morning because the breathing of the air is creating extra feelings on my mind. And you know that in winter morning the dew fall on the grass and it's like a diamond. And I want to see you practically. Please see this. When the weird dew fall on the green grass and is like a diamond, it is glittering. And you know that in my previous video I don't wear a spectacle, but in this video I wear a spectacle because there is a problem in my one eye, and that's why I wear a spectacle. This very morning it extra feeling on my mind, and I'm very enjoying this mesmerizing beautiful morning. If you want to enjoy this beautiful morning, please wake up and say your father prayer and come out to see this beautiful morning. You can see there's a long greenery field. This is very big in my area. You know that I live in Koilakandi, Matlab Uttor, and the viewers who are watching from a long distance from abroad, you can see this beautiful morning. After all, I don't want to say nothing. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.